Hi, today I'm going to share with you how you can buy cryptocurrency and withdraw cryptocurrency on the SwiftX platform. I'm going to share with you step by step how you can do this. So if you follow along by the end of this video, you should be able to know how to do this. So the first step is you need to make sure you have a SwiftX account. I'm guessing most of you do, but if you don't, I will leave a link in the description for you to sign up to SwiftX. So once you have got your SwiftX account set up, this is what it will look like when you first log in. It should look pretty much the same that you see right now. Once you do have that set up, you will need to go to top right. You'll see a little symbol, so you need to click on that. You need to go and verify your account, so you want to click on verification right here. So just click on verification. You'll need to go through this verification here, each one of these. So as you can see, verify your email address and then verify your phone number. That's really simple to do as well. It's very straightforward. You just follow step by step. Normally this will take max 5 minutes or less. So once you have verified your identification, this could be any sort of ID, any government ID, you'll need to upload it. This is like most exchanges, you need to upload your ID to identify yourself. So once you have verified your account, you'll be ready to be able to trade. So now once you have verified your SwiftX account, just like I have done right here, I verified my email, verified my phone number and everything like that, you can now move on and buy and sell on SwiftX very easily and very straightforward. So the next step is you need to go to the left side right here. As you can see, this tab right here, it will appear once you hover over it. It might not appear for you straight away, but just hover over this area and it should appear. So what you can do now is click on the deposit option. So this is where you will deposit your Australian dollars or your New Zealand dollars into SwiftX. So click on deposit, and as you can see, it's on the deposit tab here. You can also click over to the withdraw tab directly right here as well. But we're on the deposit tab. What you're going to do is go to this little button right here, select an asset, and you're going to select Australian dollars because we are depositing Australian dollars. So once you're on here, you have multiple options for you to choose from to be able to deposit into SwiftX. Now you can choose whatever you want, but the ones that I recommend is bank transfer, pay ID, or Poly. Now, as I'm aware, there are no fees on Poly, pay ID, or bank transfer to deposit. What I highly recommend is to go with these three right here, bank transfer or pay ID or Poly. So we're going to do pay ID just to make this simple and easy for myself. So what you need to do is, if you don't know how to do pay ID, I recommend figuring out how to do it first. So once you have deposited money in your account using either pay ID or bank transfer or Poly, whatever one you chose, it should take max 1 to 2 minutes and the money should be in your account, in your SwiftX account. So once you have done this part, just click cancel and refresh your account. Just give it a quick refresh. It should appear on the top right here. As you can see, mine is Australian dollars. So my option is go to asset list, and then this is where you can see all the assets, all the cryptocurrencies that are on SwiftX. You can also use a search tab right here if you wish and search the exact cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. So let's say it's Ethereum and I just search ETH. So as you can see right there, it appears. So you can also buy and sell directly on here as well. So just click on buy and the tab on the right will just appear, as you can see, and it tells me which cryptocurrencies I'm trading for. So I'm trading my Australian dollars for Ethereum. So now you can also type in directly in this little bar right here. If you see where I just clicked this little AUD area, you can also type in the amount that you wish to buy. But you can also use this little tab right here, this little bar here, and push it all the way up as far as you want, or you can put it down to 50% of whatever you have in your account you can deposit, but I'm just going to put it all in there for this video. So once you have done that, you selected how much you want to buy of the cryptocurrency, then you click on preview and it shows you what you're doing. You're trading your Australian dollars for ETH. It tells you the fees as well, so 0.6%, so not even a 1%, so less than 1%, and then click on just place order, and as you can see, the order has been placed successfully. And that's how simple it is to buy cryptocurrency on SwiftX. So once you click on wallets, you can see how much cryptocurrency you own and what cryptocurrency you own. It shows you a little graph here. So right now I'm owning Ethereum, $24.82 of Ethereum, and it shows you here as well if you drop below and how much Ethereum you have as well. So now I'm going to share with you how you can sell the cryptocurrency to Australian dollars or New Zealand dollars, it doesn't matter which one you have set up, and then send that to your bank account. So what you want to do first up is you want to go to asset list on the tab. As you can see right here, you can see the little tab, asset list. So click on that. Then you want to click on Ethereum. So you can see right here, this is a cryptocurrency that I bought, Ethereum. You can also search the tab right here, which one that you bought previously. So you can search it here if you wish. I already know it's Ethereum, so I'm not going to worry about that. So what I'm going to do is go on this bar right here, which says sell. So just click on that, and now I'll bring up a little order tab right here on the side, as you can see. Now, I want you to pay attention to this really quickly so I don't confuse you. I'll try my best not to. So as you can see right now, it shows in Ethereum how much I want to sell of the Ethereum itself. But if you want to make it simple, you can switch it to Australian right here. You can see this little tab here that says AUD. Now this allows you to pretty much, instead of having to type in how much Ethereum you want to sell, you can type in Australian dollars how much you wish to sell of the Ethereum that you own. I hope that doesn't confuse you, but for this video, I'm just going to switch it back to Ethereum, and you can see this little tab here. It allows you to sell how much you want to sell. So you can sell 20%. I'm just going to go to the full 100%, let it load for a second. It will show the dollar value right below it. As you can see, the dollar value right here. When you're happy with this, what you do next is click on the preview bar that's right at the bottom here. As you can see right here, as I hover over it, it goes a little dark. So click on that, and then it will show you the trading details here. You can confirm it, make sure you're doing the correct trade here. So once you're happy with that, click on place order. Now, as you can see, the order has been placed and the trade has successfully been placed. So what you'll notice here now is, if you see at the top here, it'll show the dollar value that you have in your account. So now you have the value of what you just sold into your account right here. That's where it'll appear. Now, if you want to withdraw to your bank account, the next step is you want to click on this little withdraw button right here. You can see the little dollar sign and then withdraw. So just click on that, and then you see this drop down tab right here. Just click on the drop down tab, and you want to select your Australian dollars here, AUD. So click on that. Now the next step is you'll need to add your bank account. You need to make sure you're adding your bank account that's under your name, because of legal reasons. Because you verified your ID under your name, you cannot transfer to a bank account that is under someone else's name. So just click this drop down tab here, and you'll need to add your own bank account. So click add a new account. This account name is just the account name that will come up when you go to withdraw to your bank on SwiftX. I'll show you in a moment what I mean. This is the important details that you need to put in: your bank account holder name, your BSB, and your account number. Now this should be all on your bank when you log into your bank account, but make sure you put all of the correct information here and then click continue, and it should add your bank account. And once you have done that, it should appear once you click on this drop down tab right here. This is my bank account right here, and it appears right here. So that's what will happen. Now you can refresh also to make sure that it has been added. So just click on refresh if you like. Now what you want to do next is click on how much you wish to withdraw. So how much of the $24 do you want to withdraw to your bank account? You can type it in here if you want, or you can use this tab right here and just go 100%. Now you want to click on the drop down tab here. Click on which option you want to do it to. So you're transferring to my bank account. So I'm transferring this to my bank account, and then click continue. And as you can see at the bottom, it will tell you withdrawal to bank has successfully been completed. So if you give it about a couple seconds, couple minutes, it should be in your bank account. There you go. As you can see, it just disappeared there. So it has been transferred to my bank account right now as we speak. So it took less than probably 20 seconds. You also will get an email confirming the withdrawal. So just check your email to confirm that it has been withdrawn to your bank account. I hope this video has helped you out. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the description below. I will have a link for SwiftX in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.